Is now the right time to buy or sell Recursion Pharmaceuticals stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From November 28, 2023, our system has identified Recursion Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.03. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 77.92% since we first listed Recursion Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.6% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 87.02% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 40.23% to 102.16%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 5.24% change in the next year, with a potential return between -55.83% and 36.94%. This means the stock price may range from $5.52 to $17.10 after 1 year. Our latest update on Recursion Pharmaceuticals brings some interesting news. On Wednesday, the stock price experienced quite a volatile ride, moving between $12.38 and $13.63. Specifically, the stock price of Recursion Pharmaceuticals Incorporated decreased by 6.79% on the last trading day, Wednesday, January 10, 2024. It went from $13.40 to $12.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 10.1%, starting at a low of $12.38 and reaching a high of $13.63. It's important to note that the price has been fluctuating during this period. However, over the past 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 15.76%. Additionally, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares. In total, 10 million shares were bought and sold, accounting for approximately $121.64 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price of the stock was $16.75, while the lowest price was $4.54. Currently, the price is 25.41%, equivalent to $4.26, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 70.82%, equivalent to $30.32, below the all-time high, which was reached on July 13, 2021, when the price reached $42.81. Analyst ratings. Good day, viewers. Today, we have some interesting news regarding RXRX, a stock you might be keeping an eye on. On Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research released their latest assessment, giving RXRX a hold grade. But that's not all, they also upgraded the stock. Analysts have assessed the stock of Recursion Pharmaceuticals and given it a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as also a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Recursion Pharmaceuticals has recently shown promising signals in its stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast for the stock, suggesting a good buying opportunity. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there is support at $11.59 and $8.96. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. But it's important to consider some negative signals that have been issued, as they may impact the near short-term development of the stock. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of 6.79% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trades decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we're going to talk about some interesting signals that you might find helpful in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is showing a buy signal that occurred 74 days ago. If you're looking at short-term trends, the short-term moving average gave a buy signal just 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 40 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 37 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average gave a buy signal 41 days ago. The long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal, which occurred 20 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 14 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Recursion Pharmaceuticals Incorporated currently finds support from accumulated volume at $11.93. This support level could present a buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upward reaction when tested. Keep in mind that this stock may experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a very high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Over the past day, the stock has shown a $1.25 price range, representing a 10.1% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 13.33%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we analyze the potential trading levels for Recursion Pharmaceuticals. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either losing money or have negative earnings. Established companies can experience temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 26, 2024. It's crucial to pay attention to these upcoming numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Analysts' consensus estimates for the upcoming report stand at $0.450. Make sure to keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly influence the stock's performance. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Recursion Pharmaceuticals. If the stock shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $12.61. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to break through this level before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $11.93. If this support level holds, it could present a potential entry point, as we may anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Recursion Pharmaceuticals, as determined by multiple analysts, is currently neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider transactions, Gibson Christopher stands out. He both bought and sold a total of 92,103 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -49.746. Overall, insiders have purchased 521,694 shares and sold 1,766,053 shares within the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $11.78, which is a decrease of 5.68%. This particular stock experiences significant daily price fluctuations, making it a high-risk investment. In fact, we have detected a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Recursion Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe there is a buying opportunity for Recursion Pharmaceuticals Incorporated stock in the short term. Despite some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, the overall trend is positive. Therefore, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Our systems indicate that the current price of the stock is undervalued, considering its volatility and recent movements. For trading on Thursday, January 11th, we expect Recursion Pharmaceuticals to open up $0.343 and start trading at $12.83. Trading carries a high risk of potential financial loss. Before making any buying or selling decisions, it is crucial to seek advice from a qualified financial advisor. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of this stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your insights by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to let us know your target for this stock. Your support is important to us, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a day filled with successful trades and sending our warm regards from the entire team at StockInvest.